Hello guys, welcome to A3 Tech Gadget once again. Yeah, in my previous video I told you I'll be downloading the Windows 10 and I'll be showing you how it's going over here. As you can see now, the home button, the home section which is always at the left hand side has been moved to the center just like in MacBook OS. So this is what you get. Then you also have widget which is going to show your current time, the weather in your current location, and it's going to show you some some stock market information and some news. But I'm going to turn off this on as it will be consuming my data. At least it's better than Windows 10 update because it didn't use a lot of my data. So when you open a browser, it's pop up just like in Mac. It doesn't take your full screen, so you can see how it pops up. So it doesn't take your full screen, then you can adjust it either you want it full or not, so you can easily close these. These are the few things I've noticed for now. I would be going through it and telling you the pros and cons later in my various video. Honestly, I really love these updates. The UI UX is amazing. For me, it's amazing. It's amazing. You can see it's beautiful, very beautiful. This is nice. Okay, I got a comment on my channel. So let me go and check what it is. I don't know. Let me see. Oh, this still works. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, no problem. I think I'm good. Yeah, it's a beautiful UI UX. Honestly, you would enjoy it. Just wait till you are being notified that you can download the Windows 11 because they are rolling it out gradually for each laptop. Okay, yeah, that's right. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope you get one and two things. Be patient. The Windows 11 will be available for your laptop, and have a wonderful day. Don't forget to click on the like button, subscribe, and share with your friend. Bye bye.